Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp web using your PC. This is a neat new feature that enhances your privacy by automatically deleting messages after a set period. Let's walk through the steps to activate it. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. Go to your preferred web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Make sure you have your phone nearby to scan the QR code and log in. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu. You should see a few icons there. Find the gear icon, which represents the settings menu, and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various WhatsApp web settings. In the settings menu, find and click on privacy. This section allows you to control various privacy-related options for your WhatsApp account. Once you're in the privacy menu, scroll down until you see default message timer. This setting allows you to set a default duration for messages to disappear across all your new chats. Click on it. Now, you'll see a list of options for the message timer. You can choose between 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days, depending on your preference. Select the time frame you want. If you want to disable the feature, select Off. And that's it. You've successfully enabled disappearing messages on WhatsApp web. From now on, all new chats will have disappearing messages enabled with the timer you selected. Remember that this setting only applies to new chats, not the ones you already have. For individual chats, you need to enable the feature separately by going to the contact info and selecting the disappearing messages option. This feature is a great way to keep your chats private and clutter-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a like and share it with your friends.